Hi everyone, Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm, and this is just a quick, helpful shopping hint. So we're going into the gardening season, or do we ever get out of it? And some of the supplies I get are from the Dollar Tree. Why? Because one, some of them are really adorable. Plain Jane, big boxes of zinnias, bulbs, and my containers that I always mix potting soil, $1. I also drill holes and put plants in here. But all my supplies are here. Ceramic pots, a 2-pack. It's great shopping. Okay, all the wonderful new clips that are coming out for your garden, they're there. And it's not $1 anymore, it's $1.25. The twist tie, perfect for tomatoes. And today, since we're about to get into the season of deer and raccoons, I spent my time there 20 minutes deciding what would scare them worse, this bright twirler or not. I'll let you know what the results are. But the one I really want to show you, they came out with plant caddies with wheels. I saw these on clearance. I swear it was the same thing for $9. Now, you have to order these from their store, and I'll put the link on there. And I think you have to spend, I don't even know, $20 or $40, and it's free shipping to your store. So, but I mean, these alone, if you had 4, that's $40. I have so many of these now because I put everything under here, even containers I'm just working with. But they have multiple colors. They have the green, the brown, the tan, the white. I mean, and I think they had gray, but I didn't have any really gray pots, so I got the colors I wanted. But this is just a helpful shopping hint. I would check out your dollar store. The more you save now, the more you could spend on those wonderful plants that are coming out. This is Sabrina from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Please subscribe, like, and share, and happy growing season.